Hi everyone, it's Phil from Lost Weekends. A few weeks ago, Dan Trungeon did a brilliant video on the camper dinner service, and we were quite impressed with it. Unfortunately, there was no price on it at the time because it was a new product, and we had a look at the show. We didn't find it at the show, to be honest with you. We found it at Winfield's when we were looking the other day. So we decided to have a look at it, and we were quite impressed with it. It is quite a good product. It's a little bit expensive from my point of view in relation to the cost of pot and melamine, and but it's actually cheaper than some melamine products itself as well. So it's a double-edged sword. But as Dan said, and quite rightly so, pot is very heavy. We spotted some tableware that was very similar to Pyrex. So this is a little review on the tableware that we have opted for and a few stats. Thanks. Okay, first of all, we went out and we bought this set. This is a porcelain set from Tesco's. It's a 12-piece dinner set. So that's 4 plates, 4 side plates and 4 bowls. It's a nice actual service, this. It's for the money, which was 20 quid or less. It is good value for money. It has a nice pattern on it, and ironically it matches our new Caravan. So that's a bonus. However, like Dan said, it weighs a ton. It's very, very heavy. So instead of running with this, we decided to look for alternatives. Now, what prompted us to look at IKEA was Gavin, a friend of ours, had mentioned that he'd been to the show and he'd bought a toughened glass dinner service from a company there. So we thought, oh right, that's good, we'll have a quick look at that. So while we were at the show, we did look, and we were quite shocked at how expensive it was. So we thought we'd share something else with you that we found at IKEA. Okay, let's just put this on one side. So we came up with this. This is a 16-piece dinner service, and it's from IKEA. I would say it's probably one of their value range. However, it's made of toughened glass, not ceramic. So it's quite lightweight. So we purchased 4 breakfast bowls. We bought 4 pasta shallow bowls, 4 side plates, and 4 dinner plates. Now the total cost of this was £8, and we thought, we'll try that out, see what it's like. Now in terms of weight, it sits in between ceramic and the melamine. So it's not a bad travelling weight. I'll just put up now the weight comparisons. So we were quite pleased with it. Like we've just explained, it sits in between, in terms of weight, between the ceramic and the melamine. It is toughened glass and it is quite strong. It's not the most prettiest thing to look at, it's very plain, but in terms of practicality and its weight, we thought it was ideal. But what clinched it the most was the fact that it was so cheap. If you're curious and you're interested in what we've reviewed here, I'll put the name of it here, and you can check it out at IKEA. So thank you very much. Oh, that's our choice of dinner service for the Caravan. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Just click here. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye bye.